Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this curly clip-on ponytail. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, continue watching. So today we are working with ISEE Hair Company. I'm just unboxing my package. So I got a melt band. We got this essentials card. And we got this next card. It was basically all their information in it. And of course the clip-on ponytail. So this is how it looks. This is their water wave texture in 22 inches. So I'm just showing you guys the curl pattern in its natural state. And then this is how the inside looks. We have two combs and then we have the drawstring. As you can see, you can tighten it and loosen it depending on how thick your hair is. So the inside is basically mesh. And yeah, this is basically the specs of the ponytail. So we're gonna get straight into this installation. So today I am working on my friend's hair. So we already straightened her hair. So you wanna make sure your hair is nice and straight. It doesn't have to be straight. This is a curly ponytail, guys. So do how you feel. But we straightened her hair and I'm gonna go ahead and mold her ponytail because she was gonna keep this hairstyle in for a bit. So this is how I do my ponytails on natural hair. I go in sections, part out the center and put it in one. As you can see, you wanna make sure it's nice and flat. And then I go in with my got2b free spray and I just spray that section. And then I go ahead and blow dry it. So I basically do this for the entire head. I go in sections, comb it through, make sure it's nice and flat while I'm bringing it towards my ponytail where I tied it down. And then I spray it with the got2b free spray, make sure that's nice and smooth. And then I go in with my blow dryer and dry it in place. So I do this for the entire head. So when you are doing the front, like you see, if you are leaving out any hairs at all for any type of baby hairs or anything, you want to make sure you comb that out first. You do not want it to get caught in the got2b free spray. So you comb that section out, any hairs you want to leave out, and then go ahead and spray the rest of the hair and dry it down. So once I finish molding the hair down, I'm gonna go ahead, take out the band and just comb through the hair just around the band because we just placed the hair down. So you just wanna make sure that everything is nice and smooth, and then go ahead and reattach your ponytail. Well, the band for your ponytail. So now we are going to install the clip-on ponytail. So first things first, I went ahead and just braided her ponytail, her natural hair, and I used an elastic band to secure it at the end. And once I did that, I just went ahead and twirled her hair into a tight bun. And used another band to just secure her hair in a bun. I did decide to just go ahead and do her baby hairs first. So I went in with my mini flat iron. This is my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium mini flat iron, and I just curled the hairs at the front. Next, I went in with my 24-hour Ebon Edge Control just to mold her baby hairs down. So we did 2 swoops at the top and then we did her sideburns. So now that the edges are done, let's get into this ponytail. I'm just showing you guys the combs that I'm gonna stick in her bun. So I believe this can get attached to your hair many different types of ways. This is how I attached it, and honestly guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, it stayed. So if you attach yours differently, hey, I do believe that the drawstring should be at the bottom, but the way the curls fell, I felt like maybe this is the way it goes. So you just want to tighten the drawstring with that small piece as tight as you need it to be, and then go ahead and wrap that drawstring around where you have your ponytail holder until there's nothing more to wrap around, and that's how I got it to stay and be secure. So normally with my ponytails, I like to do a little piece to wrap around the very top over the ponytail holder, but because this ponytail is so seamless guys, you don't even need to do that. Like once you put the ponytail on and secure it, like that's it. I went ahead and used my fingers and just combed through the curls, and as you can see, it ended up so nice and fluffy. I loved it this way. Like I'm in awe. Because this, I would go to the hair store and buy this in packaged hair to try to make it this full. But do you guys see the difference from what we took out the package to now? Amazing. So I went in with my shine spray and just sprayed it all over her hair for that finishing touch. But I'm just showing you guys how nice this ponytail looks. So this is a back view. Do you see how fluffy it is? How nice and big it could be? And when you wet it, obviously you can tame it down if you wanted to, but I loved this look. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and wet it down so you guys can see how it looks. Right now, I'm just using my Revlon leave-in conditioner, and I'm just spraying it all throughout her hair. I decided to go in with some mousse just to define the curls some more, and this mousse is from Nae.Simone. So I just went and spread that all throughout her hair and just scrunched it up a bit. So I'm sure at this point you guys can see the difference from the fluffy look to now the wet look. Yeah, so you guys let me know down in the comments below which one you prefer. But as you can see, I went ahead and tried to pull her ponytail. Guys, we had to do the test. Pulled the ponytail and it was not going anywhere, so that was great. So this is how it is looking now in its wet state. Yeah, curls are defined. So I'm just showing you guys how nice it's looking. Shout out to ISEE Hair Company for sending over this ponytail. Yeah. If you guys are interested, the link for this unit, this clip-on ponytail, will be down in my description box below. So shout out ISEE Hair Company for sending it over to me. Lastly, I just went in with some more shine spray and sprayed it onto the hair, and now that I wet it, and that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about these drawstring ponytails, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.